Today's featured advertiser is eXp Realty Natchez.
Hello people of the internet. As you can see, I have some black putty on my fingers. I'm working with Diane. These are the windows out of Molly's house. So this is adjacent to what Lane has been doing, and therefore I sympathize with her in ways I wish I didn't. This is tedious and messy. So yeah, I just figured I would show you all. I'm getting out of the heat today. The heat was killing me. I was starting to feel like Kevin in the heat. So taking a little cool down this morning, and I'll be back at the house this evening. So I'll show you how we do this.
Hey Austin,
All right.
what do we have? What's happened?
A wood door. We have finished the side, so now it officially looks like one
Look at it!
actual golden oak door.
Yay! And yes, Kevin is going to take the hardware off. We are going to clean it before anybody comes for me. Austin just couldn't get it off. It is a special skill. But this looks unstinking believable. Look at that. Is this the front door? No, this is the dining room door. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, brother man. Okay. So you've seen us struggling to get these window ropes in. And my friend John Rogers, who is the window restoration god, kind of looks like Thor, god of thunder, a little bit. Like he definitely looks like a Viking Norse god. He is the window restoration expert, end all and be all. You know, I have several friends who do this. I feel that way about all of them, but John is my dear, dear friend. And he is about to give us all a lesson in how to thread these through, how he does it and makes it a little bit easier. So let's watch the expert show us how to do this.
Hey, good morning. Breaking my own don't get in front of the camera rule, just to give a little trick on how to get the sash cord fed down the pulley into the weight pocket without getting snagged up on every little possible thing that could be in that pocket. Really, you just need anything with a little bit of weight to it that'll help the sash cord go straight down instead of naturally twisting and turning like it wants to. Some people call it a mouse. It's literally anything heavy. I use an offcut of sash chain just because it's flat and I know it's going to feed through the pulley. So all you do is tape it to the end of the sash cord and then feed it through from the top, going down the pulley. And then as soon as you get the chain portion of it down, the weight of it will naturally just bring it straight down. This obviously doesn't help if you have mud dauber nests or small little animal bones, dirt, debris, insulation in the pocket. That can also help snag it. But what you do at that point is you attach your weight to the end of the rope, and then when you put it back in the pocket, if you aggressively pull it up and down a few times, that'll help use the weight to break apart any of the junk and debris that might be up higher up in the weight pocket that you can't access. So that's the helpful tip of the day.
My friend John Grady just showed up to bring me a delivery. Now, John Grady owns a florist, so when he says, hey, I have something for you, I'm coming, I think he's going to bring flowers. But he showed up with something so much better. Hang on. So John Grady has a beautiful friend. Her name is Angela. I haven't opened the card yet, who bakes the most delicious, wonderful things. This is like some kind of Bavarian chocolate swirl. There are homemade jellies that she said are very low sugar for me. And then there's something else in here. I don't even know. All I know is that these are 3 boxes of heaven on earth. And when I open them, I will show you. But Angela, thank you so much. This is going to keep me going today. We have a lot going on today, and so this is going to power me through. Austin, what did you just say?
I said you better keep your eye on that because that sounds delicious.
That's a hungry young man over there.
Man.
We'll see if Kevin gets any of his Bavarian swirl chocolate loaf. Oh, Eddie, it looks so good.
We still gotta go back and get that one back right.
Oh my gracious goodness.
Getting it cut into the...
Getting it framed in, getting it cased in. Oh man, that looks beautiful.
I'll have to take them down one more time, but you won't have to do much but slap them back in there when it gets done.
Amazing. Wow. Those doors cased. Man, this starting to look like a real house. Check it out. And it's funny because this is one of the things that has been driving me subconsciously insane for months, having these window frames up but not like cased. Woo! Beautiful. Look at that. I know this doesn't look like a big deal to you, but man, to me, this is huge. Unbelievable.
I'm back to running my electrical fishing line to try and get these ropes in over here. And Lane suggested, what if you took the roller off? You think that would be easier? And I said, well, it shouldn't be that much easier because once I get it through, going down is where I keep getting stuck. But I did try, so I was able to get the other one in today and it went okay. This one was fighting me. So I did take that off and the thing went down there without any problems at all. So easy. So I guess that was really keeping it constrained. Lane was completely right on that. I didn't want to take these out because it's kind of a chore getting them in and out. Flathead screws, and you know, I don't get along that well. But it looks like that's what I'm gonna do, and then bring the ropes up and continue using this because I thought, well, this went in so easy, maybe I will just run the rope through there and it'll drop down, but it didn't. It did go in easier than it was before, but still couldn't get all the way through. So I will use this to pull my rope through, but I have to take off all of these and get them through. Focus, focus, focus. It won't focus on this rope. If I get it really close, it'll focus. Maybe if I zoom in, it'll focus. Okay, so there's me taping the rope. Oh, lost it, just like that. There's me taping the rope to the wire. Should be able to pull that through no problem. Then I'll put my knot in and then it'll be ready for when the sash is ready to go in. But looks like I'm gonna have to take off every one of these rollers that I painstakingly put in. Oh well. Well, that was easy. Not. But it's done. Got my ropes in, ready for some sashes. Both windows done. Had to take every roller out and put every roller back in, but oh well. It actually went faster that way than trying to feed those things through. So, there you go.
I'm Tammy Pack.
I'm Jason Dahl.
I'm Marla Toman. And we're eXp Realty, Natchez, Mississippi. Why buy Natchez? We have beautiful, affordable homes, gorgeous cottages like the one we're in today, with an average sold square foot price of just over half the national average.
Natchez has small town southern charm.
And front porch vibes. Our Restoration Nation, are you looking for a project?
Well, the state of Mississippi offers historic tax credits.
And it doesn't even have to be on a commercial building. It can be your personal residence. Wes and I just got our check.
Why buy Natchez?
It's the oldest city
On the highest bluff?
on the mightiest river in America. If you want to see all the beautiful listings in Natchez, follow us on Facebook.
But you got so many presents today.
So many presents. I've already shown them some, but we're going to open these up. So this one is from Amanda Crumaker or Crumbacher or Crumatcher. I hope one of those three is correct.
Do you see this cat wanting to be on
Oh,
TV?
you know that cat always wants to be on TV. Is that... Oh, that's Balfour. She's not usually obsessed with the phone like Ted is. Ted is obsessed with the phone. Ugh. You know, why so difficult? Why so difficult? I know it opens in the middle.
Well, knife it.
Well, I
Snap
can't-
it.
Snap it.
There you go.
He's blue. What's it?
Oh my goodness.
What's
What is
it?
that? Like a party bag.
Oh. Okay, so open second. This says open second.
Oh
okay.
goodness. Oh,
So
this is
open
fun.
one from Amanda, a YouTube viewer from Cincinnati, Ohio.
Hey!
Hey, my friend. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
What's it? A hand stitchy
Look
thing?
at this, girl. Shut your face.
What do you call it?
It's a needlepoint embroidery that says Lane and Kevin in cahoots since 1996.
Oh my gosh.
Stop it.
That is the best.
Stop.
That is so cool.
Okay, that is.
You get us.
Oh, it's got a bee.
Oh yeah, you didn't see the bee?
No.
Oh yeah, she like purposely did the whole
And
thing.
a ladybug. It's got a ladybug. Okay, Amanda. Winning. This is winning right here. I don't even need to open the second one. Oh, I just want to look at it.
That is so fun.
I love
Go,
that
Amanda.
I love that you know my in cahoots. You got to be in cahoots if you want to have a successful marriage. Okay, let's see. This is open second. And open third. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. It keeps going.
This is so fun. Anniversary wishes. Okay, this is a long note, so I'm not going to read it all online.
But how sweet to
But
take the
how-
time. So much time.
Oh, her YouTube name is The Crummy Artist. So everybody go check her out on YouTube.
C-R-U-M-M-Y.
Yes, C-R-U-M-M-Y, The Crummy Artist. Okay, so then I'm going to open this one that says open third. Oh, not on camera because it has a photo of her family and friends. So thank you, Amanda. This is too much.
Wow.
This is almost weep worthy. It's been a crazy day and I'm a little emotional.
Today
So
is a weepy day.
it's a weepy day. So that is a fabulous way to end the day. And then we have treats. So I showed you earlier when my friend John Grady brought these.
Did John Grady get to be on video?
No, I should have videoed John
Oh.
Grady. He's one of our
Well,
best, dearest here in
give
Natchez.
a promo for his store in town.
Oh, the Nest. Y'all, if you come to Natchez, you must go to the Nest. He's a florist and he has plants, but he's an orchid growing specialist. Anyway, you must go to the Nest when you come here. And she says we've been making wonderful progress, incredible progress in Natchez. And she loves watching us. So let's see what she sent. We know the one is a chocolate swirl cake for Kevin. This one is. This says wait, one of them said could break. I don't think it was this one.
No, it's the other one.
Ooh! Look how beautiful. Is this her book? She and John Grady did a book together.
Oh,
Would you look at this?
oh my gosh.
In the box,
Kitten
in
is
the bag.
In the bag.
In the box, in the bag.
Can we ship that kitten out? Right? Oh, too late.
Oh,
Too late.
Don't even. Look how beautifully wrapped that is, of course.
Oh,
I would expect nothing less
have to,
from
right?
John Grady. I mean, nothing less.
But he didn't say that was from him. He said it was
No,
from.
he said it's all from her, but they did the book together, so I bet
Yeah.
that's what this is. And it's
Who knows?
a beautiful book. It is One Man's Folly, An Exceptional House of Furlough Gatewood. Oh, how beautiful.
Is that the
One
book or
Man's
is it a different
Folly.
book?
That is, we need to read about One Man's Folly.
We need one man and one wife's
Yes.
folly.
Angela, this is beautiful.
So is that the book or do you know? You're
I
not
don't
sure?
think this is her book.
It's a
Oh
different
my gosh,
book.
this is beautiful. Oh, I just want to sit. Oh, this is what I want my bedroom to look like. Okay. This is going to make, look at this. This is going to make for a wonderful evening of
Oh, gorgeous.
reading. Beautiful. Okay, but this one she said might break, so I think I know that this one is the jams. I think it's jams. A selection of jams. Ooh, it is!
Rockberry jams?
Homemade. And she said low sugar because she knows I'm not doing a sugar right now. So we've got blueberry gin jam,
Wow.
peach, which is my daddy's favorite.
Uh-oh.
I may have to take this to my daddy because he loves it. Jack Daniel's apple butter. That's your daddy's favorite, apple butter.
Yeah, my
And
parents both love it.
strawberry margarita jam, my favorite. I know Dad likes strawberry too. Thank
we
you
eat
so
it by
much,
the
Angela.
spoonful?
Yes, we absolutely can.
Okay.
On some homemade biscuits.
Awesome.
Thank you for loving
Wow.
us so well, guys.
We needed those. Oh, show the
bread.
the bread or whatever it is. I will eat it soon.
We're gonna
so-
freeze this though. Are you gonna go ahead and eat it,
Well,
or are we
heck
gonna
yeah,
freeze
I'm
it?
gonna
Okay.
open that mother up.
Thank you for loving us. I don't think you often know how much these happies mean to us. They always seem to come at the right time on the right day when things have been a little chaotic, and today has been chaotic. We'll share with you what's going on as soon as we can. But we appreciate you so much, and we love you, and we thank you. And I'm going to go read my notes from Amanda now.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. We wanted to show you all of the beautiful personalized things that Amanda put in this embroidery for us. So we've got the ladybug for me, then a paw print, a kitten, strawberries, a heart, and a bee. Woo! Is that not amazing? I love it so much. In cahoots.
Love it. You know who has not gotten any camera time in a long time? Mr. Bones. Who is actually, oh no, getting tailed by Mr. Stanley. He is losing weight. He's on some diet food. He's not exercising, but he is not eating as much. And he has lost a little bit of weight. Look how thin he looks. Mr. Bones. Skinny boy.